Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word inevitably. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The changes to the company's policies were met with resistance, but they were inevitably implemented to increase efficiency. Inevitably means that something is certain to happen or unavoidable, even if it is resisted or delayed. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.